Today, Z, what are you doing?
Compromising your tire integrity.
If you break it, you buy it.
There's like stuff on it.
You just broke it. Johnny, how are you? Good, good. Johnny, you know what we're doing today?
We're getting chicken.
We're getting chicken. We've been on a chicken run, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're doing another spicy challenge.
All right.
Yeah. You haven't had very good luck in the last couple of challenges. I think the last 3 you've attempted, you failed. Are you going to do us right today?
I don't know, man. I kind of lost my confidence. We'll see.
Yeah, I would have too. Z, you've done your fair share of food challenges. I think the bar's pretty high for you. We're just happy to have you along. So if you don't want to do the challenge, you don't have to. Johnny's doing it. And the best part is, we're meeting up with a subscriber that's paying for everything. We're going to meet him at the Trabuco General Store. I got some stuff for Bob too. It's a gloomy day in Southern California. It's been gloomy all week, really. Oh, it's raining too. I'm getting drip drops on my visor. I don't know if you can see it. Can you? So we're meeting this dude at the Trabuco General Store. I think we already established that. Never met him before. Talked to him a couple times on email. Seems like a legit dude. Hopefully this turns out okay. Nico is his name. Other than that, I don't know anything about him. Except that he's bringing a friend that rides a Triumph, I think. Nico? What's up, man?
What's up, man? Thomas.
Tony?
Thomas.
Thomas, nice to meet you. What are we doing? We're going to Clyde's Hot Chicken? And you're going to torture Johnny?
Yep.
Should we get a soda and hang out for a minute, or?
I'm cool with that. I'm down for that.
Hello, how are you? Good. What's up, Bob? I know I saw you just the other day, but come on, man. You holding out? All right. Under the cock? Nothing under your cock, Bob. Give you a little key tag. Couple stickers. Put one there. We gotta put one under your cock, though, for sure.
Always.
And then, where else? Yeah, make it easy. Throttle Dweebs, you're gonna take us to some chicken.
Clyde's Hot Chicken?
You're gonna do the challenge with Johnny?
Yeah, why not?
I don't have much faith in Johnny and his challenges anymore. My money's on you. Z, he's not sure if he's gonna do it. If he does do it, my money's on him.
Really?
If you do this challenge, I think you'd win.
I'll think about it.
You're definitely hungover. You're just like quiet in the corner, man.
Yeah.
Are you making a video today?
Yeah.
I bet that's gonna be exciting.
Yay.
Well, let's do it. What, Fullerton? Who are we following?
Right here.
All right. So what do you think? You think Johnny's gonna beat Throttle Dweebs in this challenge? Let me know right now in the comments section who you think's gonna end up on top here. Another chicken place you guys are asking me to hit up, it's called Howlin' Ray's in LA. One day I'll get out there. It's definitely on the list. That place has an hour-long line attached to it. But I do like torturing my friends, so yeah, I'll get there. I'll get there. I promise I'll get there. Oh, look at that, man. That Datsun, that thing is awesome. Should we give Z the camera? Let's give the camera to Z. See what he does. Hey! Welcome back! Huh? Huh? Pretty good shot, right? Maybe? I don't know. We'll see. For the homie.
That's why I stopped right there. Yeah, I know, I saw you. Bro, come on. You child. Dude, that's not good for the environment. Go feel something.
Surprised we don't see any protesters. There's a sloth on that car. Look at a sloth. Cali Taco. One day I'll be back. Actually, truth be told, I went back there to film a video and then I got home to edit it, only to discover no audio. What a waste, huh? It's a fun video too. No audio. So I had to scrap it, guys. You'd be surprised how many videos I had to scrap from both this channel and my dirt bike channel. We're talking like 40 videos, I bet. Legalize being black. That guy flipped me off, man. Oh. Here we are, man. I think. Is it here?
I don't know. Is it there? I think it's across the street.
Yeah, there it is.
I'll park over there.
It's just the first to finish this stuff.
Unofficial race.
Unofficial race.
Whoever finishes first.
Who's gonna win?
I signed up saying you just have to finish it though, so.
Yeah, well.
As long as I finish it, you know, I'm gonna go at my own pace.
Yeah, all right.
I'm not.
I read that book, Things Losers Say.
Thanks.
We know where Johnny is on this. What about you?
So the retiree has come back to.
So you're going for it. You're gonna win this.
I'm like George Foreman coming back.
So the first person to finish everything.
Yeah, fries,
right.
fries and everything.
You win this. You're getting a big old bowl of ice cream.
They got smoothie or they got milkshake.
I'll get you whatever you
I'm
want.
so excited for my milkshake.
What about you, man? So we don't know. You're kind of the wild card.
It's gonna be good, but it's gonna be bad.
It's good. But
All right. On your marks, get set, go.
Here we go.
Watch his technique.
Dude, my technique is
Of course, he hasn't even taken a bite.
a little rusty.
Is it? Can you tell if it's hotter? It's hotter than.
Just instant.
How hot is it?
Hot.
You're struggling.
This blows Buffalo Wild Wings out of the park.
What do you think, Johnny? How hot?
Pretty hot.
Johnny's got the handshake. You know it's hot.
I got this. I got this.
Is it really that hot?
You're
really
shaking
good.
too. He's got the shakes.
Wait, did they mess up my flavor? I don't know. Yeah, I'll try yours.
Wow.
Clean.
Dude, you're making me look like a friggin'. He's going to town, man.
This is my new spoon.
Should I wait for these guys?
Oh, are you done? He's done, dude.
I think I put my money on the wrong dude.
Nope. Gotta finish all of it.
Oh shit.
Too much blood.
Right.
And that's how they do it in Cham.
Jump on.
I tapped out.
You tapped out?
I tapped out. I couldn't finish it.
Full?
I'm sorry. He beat me fair and square. I own ice cream now.
What do you think, Johnny?
But it's on it for a race, man. I'm getting full though.
Do you have a hose? I think the champ is back.
I couldn't beat Z, but I put Johnny in first.
Yeah.
Clyde's Hot Chicken, man. That place was great. Thanks for bringing us out, for sure. Let's talk about this challenge, though. Johnny, I didn't have high hopes from you from Jump Street. Valiant effort. You took second, but I knew who had it. Z comes out on top. Listen, Nico, pleasure to meet you, buddy. Thomas.
Good to meet you, man.
Pleasure. I had a fun day, man. It was a great day. Met some new friends. Awesome food. Got to ride a little bit.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Thanks for reaching out, man. It was a pleasure. I hope to do it again. Let's do it again soon, right? With that, dude, we're going to get out of here, man. It's turning night, and we all know I don't really have a headlight. We got to do it. All right. Fun day as usual, man. I had such a good time today. Appreciate all you guys that stuck around with me for the duration of this video. It means a lot. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It means a lot. Love each and every one of you. Just like the patrons, man. You guys are the best. If you aren't already aware, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. Lots of wrecks and dysfunction. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. And please support the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first. Give them the courtesy. That's it. All right, guys. See you guys next time.